Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum shibenta ban kentiu ya kayok kakot jong kipat ba nong rep kejela u menteri nang ba kejela u konrad ke sangma menta kasi ulayok ban pelat pat ba ya ka 1000 news pa metrik ton u Synsar ban Shalan cebar kejela Ryngkat bat ki Tylli ki kali Mahindra pick up sha keseng ki nong rep ban yarap ha ka kit ka ba jeng ki mar rep ki bala baiting ka ling ba ka skim CM Asha ha ka negasi la samru ya ki santli ki check ki ba 100,000 tingka sha ki san ngut ki nong rep ha ka nega jingyelang kabala pelong hakli umstem Bhoi district lawan ru banyadan Ryngkat da UMLA Kamauhati constituency uba Charles Marngar uskatri katanat agriculture and farmers welfare UCB Chakravarthi Sadhu ka director jong katanat horticulture ka kong B Umlong u deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district u Abhilash Baranwal nalor kiwe de ki he officer sarkar kinong yalam ka hill farmers union bat ki pat ba nong rep kathan habakran ha ka negasi u konrad ke sangma ulapan pau ya ka jingshim kya jong ka sarkar jilla ban wan ra jingkala ha ka yo ka kot jong ki than nong kendong ban ai bor bat kentiu ya ki nong rep lingba ki mission bat mat trekam ba per ki bala pen trekam da ka sarkar habayakran berkajing ajeng bot jong UMLA Kamauhati bandon ya kajaka bu ye ki mar rep ki bakham he ha ka nikathan u konrad ke sangma ulayathu baya kane la ban pen urlong lingba ka scheme CM Elevate ha kajing baiting ka kabah 9.8% kumbalong lem ya ki spa atli kali ki bala deb ban ai shaki pat ba bat ki bala yad ha ki surok ba bat kermen baka jingdon kum kini ki kali ru kan poi hajar ha kini ki khindiat por ki bansawan u konrad ke sangma ulakop ru ya UMLA Kamauhati bana kalyang ka jong u baiting ka kumbah 9% katba ya ka basa pat uba Charles Marngar u hab bansai 8% na ka scheme MLA ka jong u lani kinu kilat na ka benta banchna ya ka jakabu ki mar rep ha ka ne ka than da ka ba ongru tungin national lang omtang na ka benta ka wei ka kenhon ne ka society henrei na ka benta jong baro Shu na kalyang ukonrat ke sangma ulakat pat ru ya baro ki khon samla ha ka jilla bakin shim ya kala thau kam thau jam lani kata ka entrepreneurship kum ka wei na kilat ban kintiu ya ka yo ka kot ha ka rep karyang da ka baong ban preng jong phi ki khon samla ki de bandon ki bami shakmat ban shim ya ka jingsdang ban na kalyang ka sarkar kan kershan niki Henry ka bakong san kalong baki de ban mi shakmat bat ban sedang shwa na lade
Yes, from Synsar East Government District.
You can find me whether it's him only or not.
Nakot ru ya ilas tali masente.
Thank the Warehousing Corporation for having partnered with us to take this forward, and I hope for bigger partnership in the days to come. I also would like to urge all our officials who are working at the grassroots level, you are the most important link for the farmers and the government. And hence it is absolutely crucial that all of you will take that extra initiative to ensure that you reach out to every single farmer who is affected, bring them in the list so that we can support them and help them. Without that, the CM Assure program will not be a successful program. So once again, I thank all the officials who have done a great job in making this program a possibility. I thank our farmers for believing in us and trusting in us. Let me assure you that we will continue to always support. I know politics is always very complicated, but I always tell my fellow MLAs, my fellow ministers, always, that for us, every single citizen is our person. Whether they support us or they don't support us. I'm not Chief Minister only of NPP. I'm Chief Minister of every single citizen of this state. And therefore, I always ensure that we work in a free, fair, equitable, and just manner. And let me assure you that we'll continue to do that. We'll work together. We will move forward together. And we will face the challenges that come ahead together, especially to our youngsters. And I would like our chairman, who will be translating what I say, to please stress on this one at the end. And that is that we have now more or less laid a structure in our agriculture sector. Different organizations, FPOs, self-help groups, cooperative societies have been formed. Farmers are being supported with seeds, with working capital, with processing units, with transportation, with CM Assure market intervention programs, so on and so forth. But the real transformation will only come with scale. Unless we are not able to do programs and projects at large scale, we will not be able to make the difference that we would like to. So we are doing things, we're doing many small things, which is good. But to have that big impact, we need to go for scale. We are processing 4,000 metric tons of ginger through this unit. This should be 40,000 in the days to come. Or 4 lakh metric ton in the days to come. Till we are not able to achieve that scale, we will not be able to touch the national and international market, and will not be able to really transform the lives of our farmers. Why I saying this, especially to the youngsters, is because entrepreneurship is crucial. Entrepreneurs will have to lead this. Business will have to lead this. Some of you will have to take that initiative, take that risk. Government will be there with you to support you. But I cannot pull your hand and push you and take you all the way. You have to make that beginning. And therefore I urge not just people who are present out here, other entrepreneurs also, start to think big. Start to take big risks. Calculated big risks. Otherwise, we will still remain in this momentum. We will work together. Challenges in life will always be there. But as long as we are there for each other, as long as we support each other, we work together as a team, there is no challenge that we cannot overcome. And this is the important message that I would like to give to you. That we are not saying that we can solve every problem. But whenever the challenges are there, you will never find yourself alone. But Charles will be there, Conrad will be there, all our officials and the entire government machinery will do its best to always support each and every one of you through those difficult times. Through CM Elevate, another very, very innovative program and a policy we came out. The gap in the market where we had problems for transportation, hundreds of such vehicles today are plying on the road. Hundreds. I hope that one day we'll reach 1,000. And these are all for you, owned by you, run by you. I'm happy today that we are flagging off 3 or 4 of them, and many, many more in the days to come. Another very important gap in the market which we realized is exactly what Honorable MLA was mentioning. The gap of logistics hub, storage space. And to fill up that gap, I want to share with the Honorable MLA and with all of you that CM Elevate is not only for vehicles. CM Elevate is a very broad program. And the idea is to support entrepreneurs, communities, societies, to be able to fund them so that they are able to reduce the gap and the challenges that they have. So apart from vehicles, you'll be happy to know that we are also funding storage spaces under CM Elevate. There is a 75-25% share, which means 75% will be paid by CM Elevate and 25% by either the society itself or any other source of funding. So I will put back the challenge to the Honorable MLA that I will give the 75% and maybe he can give from his MLA scheme the rest of the 25%. And we will build it together. Not just for this group and this society, but for all.
While we are grateful for the support under CM Assure, I suggest that we develop dedicated marketing channels for finished agricultural products. This could significantly boost the income of our farmers and improve the rural economy. That is suggestion number 1, sir. And suggestion number 2, support for ginger cultivation, sir. While broomstick is a major product, I would also urge you, sir, to consider initiative for ginger farmers. Bhoi is one of the top ginger product producer and sir, I hope through your support, this sector too can thrive and contribute immensely to the state economy. For your kind information, sir, I would like to bring to your kind attention that here in village, Kli-Imstem village, we have a registered broom producing company known as Basuba Producer Company Limited, sir. It's nearby only, sir. This company, sir, is working in partnership with the Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board and has been playing a vital role in supporting local farmers and promoting broomstick production in our area. However, at present, sir, They have only one small godown with a storage capacity of just 100 ton of broom grass. This limited space is a major constraint as production and demand continue to grow. Therefore, sir, I humbly request your kind support for the construction of larger storage facility with at least 1,000 ton capacity, which will greatly benefit the company and the farming community as a whole.
Banyarab ingi kum ginong ram, haba u Synsar uba bit uba biang uba paka ba ngi ji sayo ngiyo ya kador ko basau ko tungka. Tenrei lengba jongkanika ka CM Ashol scheme ngila bandi yo Synsar jungi hakador ko basan pusan. Tegenaga long kalalong ka jirap ka bakraw ingi kum ginong ram. Dan mereka ka bangadon ban penpau lang bajo nga po. Bad nga ngeskam nagalang jong piki paranong repro. Pia menjuri ya kata bad pia tip khamba ma piro. Kumbanga tip lane kumbanga mat jinge mga. Nagalang jong piki paranong repro pi mat jinge ya kaju. Namarba ya ka dor ka bala persyang ban yarap. Daga sorkar jongi ka pamanta lane da chief minister badan burom jingi habide bar kanika ka ashar scheme kampat long ka babiang ladang ikheng ya ka jingnot jingsep jongi ha ka ba ni trai ni rep riang komno ban penyo yo Synsar tenamar kata ka jingkar pat kalong kumba pila persyang ban kuner yala ka jongok ti ka basubun jongpi sar ke kanrat ke sanma Ubalong kumunung chief minister, ubadon burom jungi, ubadon ka jingkit kli, ubalong kumu chief minister, ubadon sisya kata ka mensiam ban ai ka jira ber ka jingkir syan yang ikum kinongram. Ngakerpat laneng ngikerpat lemba jone ka por sar badon burom jungi, haba pin sobha ya kaban nang yarap susu habide bat ki kamrep kamriang jungi. Banagane ka dor ka basan po san pinang penio susu yang ia kedor ke bakambiang.
Jong katanat kerep karyang jong ka horticulture. Henry kum kawai na kisaki kiba nga soto ya ka jing ya ka jing shon ka jong pi ha ka gade bakakam ban khai ya une Synsar. Nga soto baka jing yap ya ka jingrat Synsar kalong kawai na kalat kamay kaji jong pi kaba kinongrap hakani ke jela jongi kilakot syadu ka 20,000 ngod kibaim na kabaret ya uni umar jingtung ngidon ke area kumba arkun ri wajar nyuspa san kunyo hektar hapo kani ke state ke jongi henry kat bagi sngi kin snem kinang yan ngiyo i bapia kendu sifuan ki jing ha kaba pin ya iyo ya uni Synsar kador ngangek pinya priang bat nga hateng ke kiu bat hateng ke hiar haba kador ke hiar kalong ke jing do nong ke bakrau ke jing sha penjot haka kamai ke ji ka kta lut ya ke jing don kam jong kalong yeng kalong sem ke jong fi dei hang ni ken ba ka sarkar lingba ka jing alam jong menteri rangba badan buron jongi konrad sangma wala smokia shon ya fi kinong rem ki badai ubut lom jong ka yo ka kot jong kari ulawan ban yo kejat daladihi ha kani ka sngi ban snap ban pek bat khamtam ban yen tenrong lem ta ka pasim ya ki senjam ban pentri kam ya kata ka CM Assure scheme kani ka CM Assure scheme kade ka scheme jong ka sarkar jela ka ba penja iyo ya ki marrep jong pi ki bom puot ha kani ka jela jengi idon tang artli ki marrep ki bahap ha kani kita ki dei Synsar bat ukuai dei na kani ka scheme ka ba ka sarkar kala bu ya ka do ka babiang ka bala ban yarap ya ka kamai ka ji jongfi ya ka jing siu pisa ya ka ba ka sarkar kan tiet ya uni Synsar ka dei leng pa ka direct benefit transfer kamut ba kapisa haba ka sorkar kalatiet kan lek baik direct sya ka account jong kinong rem. Omla ban yo manu yang ni kapisa henrei kan dai baik kita kabawan na po ka account ke jong fi.